G'day and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly measure for recess fit blinds. This is where the blind will fit nice and neatly within the window recess. Perfect for roller blinds, Venetian blinds and cellular blinds. So what we're going to do is take three measurements because not all windows are actually perfectly square, even though it may look that way. We're going to start from the top to the bottom. So on the right hand side of your window, get your tape measure up to the top. Feed it down to the bottom, and we've got 1150 millimeters. Always measure in millimeters, that way we can get it perfect. We're going to do it in the middle now, 1150 again, and one more on the left hand side, 1151. So we know now that this side of the window is 1 millimeter longer than this side of the window. So we're going to actually measure for the shortest part, which is 1150. We're going to do the exact same thing going from left to right. That's 1510 millimeters in the middle of the window. 1510 again. And lastly at the top, this is always the trickiest one, 1509. So the top of the window is actually the shortest part going from top to bottom. So we're going to record 1509. And that's it. That's how you measure for window recess blinds.